Hello foodies! Welcome to Svedanika the Kitchen. Today's recipe is traditional savory snack murukulu or chakralu. Murukulu or chakralu are savory crunchy snack from South Indian cuisine. There are so many different variations in making this chakralu, which are different in taste and texture. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. Add 1/3 cup split black gram or urad dal in a pan and dry roast it on medium flame. Roast until you feel the aroma of the roasted black gram. Turn off the stove and transfer roasted black gram into a plate and let the black gram cool down. Once it is cooled down, transfer it into a blender and blend it into a fine powder. Now, transfer this blended powder into a sieve and sieve it to remove any coarse particles. We need a fine powder. In a large bowl, take 2 cups rice flour. I am using store-bought rice flour in this recipe. Add sieved black gram flour, salt as per taste. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons salt. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder. This is optional. We like it a bit spicy. Add 2 tablespoons ghee or butter at room temperature. No need of adding it hot. Make sure it is not cold. Add 2 teaspoons sesame seeds. Mix all the dry ingredients along with ghee without lumps. Remove any lumps or coarse particles. Add water gradually and mix it to make it dough. Make sure the dough is not sticky or wet. If the dough is sticky or too wet, it will absorb lot of oil while frying. If the dough is too dry, they'll break while making chakralu. If you are making a large quantity, mix the dough in batches. Don't mix everything at a time, as the dough will become dry. Since this is very small batch, we are mixing everything at a time. There are different types of muruku press available in the market. Every press has same set of plates with different shapes and sizes of holes. Today we are using single star plate to make this chakralu. I am using this traditional type of press today. To grease the press, I am just dipping it in the oil and sliding it. This way the whole press will be greased easily and evenly. Look at the dough. This is a perfect consistency to make chakralu. Take one small portion of the dough and fill it in the press. Now carefully press it to make the spiral shape. Have cut parchment paper into small pieces to make chakralu on it. This way we can easily remove them and fry. Repeat the process to make few chakralu at a time. Carefully add each piece into the oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough to fry. Fry on medium-high heat to fry even. Fry until the bubbles are not seen. Look, they are ready to take out of the oil. Repeat the process with remaining dough. Enjoy this crunchy, crispy and tasty savory as a tea time snack. Store them in an airtight container. They will be stored up to 3 months if anything is saved for that long. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.